Imagine you're driving a car. You wouldn't want to keep accelerating if you see a stop sign ahead, right? Well, cells use a similar strategy to prevent going overboard with what they produce. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of enzymes, but not just any aspect of enzymes. We're tackling the intriguing process of feedback inhibition, nature's way of putting the brakes on. So buckle up as we explore how this microscopic management saves energy and keeps our cells in perfect balance. In every living cell, there's a flurry of chemical reactions governed by proteins called enzymes. But how do cells prevent these enzymes from going into overdrive? Enter feedback inhibition. This process cleverly uses the product of a reaction to shut down the machinery that created it. It's like if your coffee machine could sense when you've had enough caffeine and turned itself off. When the final product in a series of reactions reaches a level that the cell deems too high, it doesn't just float around aimlessly. It binds to a special spot on the first enzyme of the pathway, known as the allosteric site. And this isn't just any spot. It's an other-shaped site which changes the enzyme's shape and function. And once this site is occupied, the enzyme stops working like a key that no longer fits its lock, and voila, the production line shuts down. Now, why do cells use feedback inhibition? Imagine you're at a buffet and keep loading your plate even though you're full. Not only is it a waste, but you'd also have to deal with the discomfort of overeating. And cells face a similar issue. By using feedback inhibition, they avoid wasting energy on making more of a substance than necessary, and they also avoid the need for storage space for excess products, akin to not buying more food than your refrigerator can hold. This isn't just about conservation, it's about efficiency and survival. By stopping the production of more product than needed, cells conserve vital energy and resources, ensuring they're ready for whatever else they need to tackle. Now here's the brilliant part. Feedback inhibition is reversible. Oh yeah. The binding of the product to the enzyme isn't a permanent marriage. It's more like a series of short dates. The final product can bind to the enzyme, decide things aren't working out, let go, and then maybe come back when the conditions are right. And this flexibility allows the enzyme to spring back into action whenever the cell's product levels dip too low. So the process is like a thermostat for cellular reactions, constantly adjusting and readjusting based on internal conditions. When there is enough product, the system pauses, and when levels fall, production ramps up again. Okay, now in this video, we've seen how feedback inhibition isn't just a microscopic oddity. It's a vital part of cellular life that keeps everything from your heart cells to your brain cells running smoothly. It's a testament to the elegance and precision of biological systems and how, even at the smallest scales, life is ingeniously managing its resources and energy. Think of feedback inhibition as the cell's own internal economy, balancing production and need in a seamless dance that supports life in every breath we take and every beat of our heart. So next time you take a sip of your perfectly brewed coffee, remember, there's a whole world of feedback happening right inside you, making life as we know it possible. Now click on the next video on the screen to continue learning more about the human body. Like the video to tell me and YouTube you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the next upload. See you in the next video.